Hello and welcome to my algebra class. In this video, I am going to show you how to graph linear inequality. Here we have a problem 3x plus 4y less than or equal to 12. First of all, we have to solve for y. So, as you can remember, the equation of a line is y equal to mx plus b. Y equal to mx plus b, where we know m is the slope of the line and b is the y-intercept. So if we can write our equation look like this, then we can plot it. The equation is 3x plus 4y is less than or equal to 12. As we are trying to solve for y, we subtract 3x from both sides. Then we will have 4y is less than or equal to 12 minus 3x. Now we divide both sides by 4. 12 divided by 4 is 3 minus 3 over 4 x. Here we can't divide it. So if we divide like the y equal to mx plus b, then it will be y is less than or equal to negative 3 over 4 x plus 3. So if we look at it, then our m is negative 3 over 4 and b is 3. So here we have b equal to 3 and m equal to negative 3 over 4. First, we have to find out the y-intercept, which is 3, 1, 2, 3. This is my 1 point. And slope is negative 3 over 4. So if we go upward 3 units from here, so 1, 2, 3. And from here, we have to go to our left 4 units because the slope is negative. So 1, 2, 3, 4, right here. So I have got 2 points, this one, and then we have to join it to get the graph. So let me try to join these 2 points. Okay, and it says y is less than or equal to. That means this line will be solid line because of the less than or equal to. But if it was only less than, then that will be a dotted line. So the area under the curve is my solution. So y is less than or equal to this. So this area right here is my solution. So in this problem, we have got a system of inequalities, meaning two equation of two lines, and we have to graph them on the same piece of paper. Same thing, we have to solve for y for both of them. So for the first one, we write x plus y less than or equal to 1. Then we are trying to solve for y, so we subtract x from both sides. And the equation will look like y is less than or equal to 1 minus x. Here my b is 1 and m is negative 1. For the second equation, also we subtract x from both sides. Then we get negative y is less than or equal to 2 minus x. Now to get rid of this negative, we have to either multiply or divide by negative 1 both sides. So let's divide by negative 1 both sides. And when we are dividing the inequality by a negative number, then we have to switch the direction of the inequality. So this will become a positive y, and then this inequality will switch to more than or equal to, and then we have negative 2 here and positive x. So this negative times a positive is a negative, this negative times negative is a positive. So again we get b equal to -2 and m equal to 1. So now for the first one, let's see where is my b. At 1 is right here, and slope is -1. That means it's actually 1 over 1, right? So we can write it look like a fraction by putting a 1 underneath. So 1 unit up onto the left, 1 up onto the left. So this is my point. So, and then the equation says it's less than or equal to. Y is less than or equal to. So less than or equal to will be a solid line. So we draw the solid line passing through those 2 points. Now for this one, b is -2. Again, we have to go to along the y-axis -2. This is my b, and from there m is 1. So from there we can go 1 unit up onto the right. So this is my second point. Now let's draw it. So this is also a solid line because it's more than or equal to. So then we can draw this on. Maybe we can start from here and go through this point and like this. Okay, so now we have to find out the area which lies in between two lines. So less than 1 minus x, meaning below this line, and more than -2 plus x above this line. So the area of interest for us is, we are talking about this area right here. So this is under the first line. This is, if I say line 1, this is my line 1, and this is my line 2. So the area will be below the first line and above the second line. Thank you for watching.